Alright guys, I'm back. Got this ABUS 7240. Randy Perkins sent me this. This is actually Noctis Motus number 4 challenge lock. This lock used to be purple. Imagine, when Noctis sent it out, it was purple. I believe Red Eye, if you watch his video, you see it on there, it was purple. Noctis asked me if it was the same lock. It is the same lock. I believe Randy changed the body on it. So if anybody's been paying attention, this is the purple one. So here's a bidding on the keys. Not bad bidding. So let's see if we can get her open. Get her clamped down here. Zoom in a little bit so you can see better. Zoom on this camera sucks for focusing. Alright, let's see. I am gonna try my gem 15 thousandths. And we'll try top of the keyway. I have not tried to pick this one yet. New job has got me working crazy hours. I usually leave here at 3 in the morning and I'm not back home till usually around 5 or 6, and honestly by the time I get home I'm pretty damn tired, so I haven't been doing a whole lot. Alright, I think that'll work. Let's give this thing a shot. There's one. There's 3. Fell a little bit on 5 or 6. There's a little more on 3. There's some on 4. 5. 6 again. A little false set. Feels like, no, I thought 2 was giving some feedback, but I think I just overset something. There's my false setback. Let's not overset it. Oh, open on 2, I believe. Alright, let's get this thing opened up and see what is inside. See what Noctis pinned up here. Phillips. And let's see. Clip remover. Let's see, I've got the key, so let's lock this thing up. Make it easier to get this clip off. Maybe. Let's try to use this the way it's intended to be used. I don't think it'll work on these smaller. Oh, yeah, it will too. About that. Alright, let's see here. And let's turn it this way. Excuse me. And let's shim it because I'm not too sure what's in there. And we need a follower. Let's see, keep pins on top. Alright. As you can see a little T-pin or reduced diameter something right there, but all 6 are in and working. And let's see what we have here. One is a little serrated. Two does not want to come out. There we go. 2 is serrated. 3 looks like it has some little serrations on it. 4 is a T-pin. 5 serrated, I believe. And 6 looks serrated. We'll take a closer look at those. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6 are threaded. There you go. I think you can see that through the camera. And now let's see what we have upstairs. Get the shim out of here. One looks like a spool. 2 is a spool. 3 looks like it's got some serrations, kind of looks like a little barrel. 4 is a spool. 5 is a spool. And 6 is a spool. All the springs look uniform, so let's get those out of the way. Maybe. We have to do this one at a time. Where did that one come from? That's out of 6. I'm already seeing some threading in here. Get these out of here, we'll see just how many are threaded. One more in there somewhere, or did it come out already? Well, Oh shit, I may have lost one. But as far as serrations, 1, 2, 3, 4, they're all serrated. My battery's trying to go dead on me, so here we go. Serrated in 1, spool in 2, serrated 3, T-pin in 4, serrated in 5, serrated in 6, and then up top we've got a spool, serrated, spool. So my battery's going dead. Randy, thanks for the lock. Noctis, awesome job pinning this lock. Everybody, let's keep it legal, keep it fun. Thanks for watching.